Hey, I am here with John Buck. Pope John just came up with one of the wildest victories, wildest finishes you'll ever see. Non-public A800, John, right down to the wire. Drake Enzano from CBA is a little bit ahead of you, and then you went into a full-out dive across the line to get the win. Scraped up your knees. They always see him down there all scraped up. We went to the medical tent. John, what made you do that? I mean, just take me through the last 25 meters or so.
Oh, well, last 25 meters was kind of like, I feel like we were all tying up sort of at that point, and it was just sort of who wanted it more for the victory. But I know he got me yesterday in the 4x8, so I really wanted to get him back in the 800 because, you know, it's where we sort of meet in the middle, right? And I just wanted it bad enough, I guess.
Yeah, what made you just go into the full out? I mean, you called it before. Tell me what you call that move at the end when you went across the line.
Did I refer to it as the Superman dive?
Superman dive, yeah.
I don't know. It was sort of like I was leaning as far as I could lean. I didn't think it would be good enough to get him, so I just sort of leapt, I guess.
You figured that was your only way to win?
Yeah, but well, I got him by .02, so I guess
Yeah.
That was required.
Was it definitely worth the scrapes on the knees and the scrape on the elbow and everything?
Yeah, without a doubt. It's cool stuff.
Yeah. Ever had a finish like that before where you left your feet?
No, not in any sort of meet. No, definitely not. No.
Did you think you got him at the time, or were you not sure?
I really had no idea, to be honest, because I sort of lost him out of the corner of my eye, so it's hard to tell.
Yeah, when you heard you had won, I mean, it must have been like, oh, thank God, I didn't die for nothing.
Yeah, if it was for nothing, I was going to be pretty disappointed, so I'm happy I got him.
All right, and you heard from John Buck. Like I said, non-public A800 winner. You got to check out the video. Superman dive across the line to win by .02 over Drake Enzano from CBA in the fantastic finish of the day here, the non-public A championship in South Lane. But congrats, John. You got to show me that move later.
Thanks. Yes, we'll do.
All right, congrats.